Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by meeting the essentials. Be level 20 or above and have an empty artifact slot. Once done, equip the bait and lures you prepared. They alter spawn tables, so placement matters. Next, head to the peculiar zone and attach the map fragment to your compass, because the pinion only appears under a narrow spawn window. Make sure to set your in-game clock to night. That increases the spawn probability by roughly half. You now commit to the detailed sequence. Move along the zigzag trail to the Crimson statue and avoid engagement with patrols because combat resets the spawn timer. Once you arrive, place half your lures at the statue base and the rest at the east alcove to create overlapping spawn zones. While waiting, interact with nearby ambient objects every 30 seconds. This refreshes local spawn flags and increases the chance when the peculiar pinion finally appears. Approach slowly. Sudden moves can make it flee, then use your capture tool to secure it. If your capture attempt fails, withdraw at least 50 meters and log out for 2 minutes to reset spawn flags. This reliably triggers a respawn cycle. Alternatively, if spawns are glitched, visit the vendor and trade 3 rare shards for a guaranteed pinion token. That fallback saves time, so use it when the spawn method stalls.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.